Good morning, children. I hope you are safe and healthy at your home. Now come back in maths class. Students, today we are going to learn word problems of addition and subtraction. First, we will know about the words addition. Together, join, more than, greater than, add, sum, plus, total. These are the words of the addition, and words of the subtraction are take away, difference, left. These are the words of the subtraction. Now some points are: when you find out the word problems, read the whole problems. Second is read it slowly and underline what to be found. Underline if you want. Third is make statements about what you need to find. Make your question in numbers. Decide which question to use plus or minus. Find out your answer. Now start question 1. I hope you understand all statement of the word problem. So first is question first. Mr. Malhotra bought a plot 31,300 rupees. He spent 19,25,585 to build a bungalow on it. How much was total cost of the plot and the bungalow? I am repeating again this question. Mr. Malhotra bought a plot for rupees 31,300 and he spent 19,25,580 rupees to build a bungalow on a plot. And how much was the total cost of the plot and the bungalow? I have told where are the total. We will use sign of addition. So we will start question 1. Question 1 is cost of plot. Cost of a plot is rupees. First we will write the places: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh and 10 lakh. So now we will start putting the numbers under the places. First we will start from the ones. 31,300. So we will start from ones. 0, 3. So now it is 31,300 rupees. Cost of to build a bungalow. To build a bungalow. Now we will start ten lakh 00313. Now cost of to build a bungalow 19 lakh 25,585. They are asking in this question, what is the total cost of to build a bungalow and a plot? So we will write total cost equal to, where is total? So we will put the sign of plus. And now we will add we will add from ones. Ones and below the ones 0 and 5. So we will add 0 and 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 8 is 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 1, 6. 3 plus 2, 5. 9 and 1. Because there is no any number below upper, so we will write 0 and 0. 0 plus 9, 9. 0 plus 1, 9. The total cost of a plot and a bungalow. Rupees 90 lakh 56,885 rupees is the cost of bungalow and a plot. Question 2. Question 2 is a water tank stored 3,59,600 liter of water. A water tank stored 3,59,600 liter of water, out of which 1,60,200 liter of water was distributed. How much water is left in the tank? So, what is the capacity of a water tank? 3,59,600 liter, and distributed of the water from this tank 1,60,200 liter. So, how many water is left in the tank? Now, first we will write, when we write the statement, capacity of a water tank. What is the capacity of water tank? First, we will write the places: ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, and 10 lakh. What is the capacity of the tank? 3,59,600, and distributed of water was distributed. Water was distributed is 1,60,200 liter. 200 liter. Water is left in the tank. Water is left. There is asking left. Left means, I have told to you, words of the subtraction: left, take away, difference, less than. These words are using in difference. So we will, there is left, so we will put the sign of minus. Water is left. Now we will subtract from the right hand side. There is below ones, 0 and 0, so we will write 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 2, 4. 9 minus 0, 9. 5. 5 is less than 6. So we will take ones, 1 from lakh. There will be 15. Below lakh, 2 is left. 15 minus 6, 9. 2 minus 1, 1. Water is left in the tank 19 lakh 94,000 liter. 1,99,400 liter water is left in the tank. Now, question 2. Next question is, we will do one more question. In a city, out of 8,50,000 children, 5,79,300 children were given polio drops. How many children were left? Total population of children. Total population of children. Again we will put the places ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Total population of children are here 8,50,000 and children were given polio drops. Polio drops was given how many? 5,79,300, 5,79,389 children. And there is asking how many children were left. It means how many children left without taken polio drops. So children was left there is left. There is again left. So we will put the sign of minus 0 and 9 below the ones. 9 is greater than 0. So we will take tens from tens. And how much is left here? 9. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. Here is also 9. 9 is also here and 4 is here. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 1, 9, 0. 4 is smaller than 7. So we can't subtract 7 from 4. Again we will take borrow from lakh. There will be 14 and 7 is left. 14 minus 7, 7. 7 minus 5, 2. How many children are left without taking polio drops? So 2,70,611 children are left Students, I hope you understand these word problems, addition and subtraction. You will do this exercise, do practice this exercise at home.